Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now this is something you would do anytime you're having any issues with your iPhone, whether it's software related, screen isn't working. This is Apple's #1 troubleshooting steps. So this is how you do it. You're going to follow the sequence of our steps. First thing is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, one after another, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. So to show you, it's quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then you want to hold on to that side button just like that. And it's going to say slide to power off, but do not need to touch that. Just keep on holding down that side button just like I am with my finger right here. And once the screen has completely black, you're going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear before you let go of that side button. And that's a forced restart. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data, all of your photos, videos, apps. Everything will still be on your phone. You do not have to worry about any of that getting deleted. Again, you want to go ahead and try this. If it doesn't work the very first time, you want to go ahead and try it again. It does take a few tries, especially if you're new to this. So again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button just like that. As you can see here, I'm doing it one more time. Like I said, it takes a couple tries to master this, but once you do it, you'll realize that any software related issue that you're having will be fixed with this simple forced restart that you'll need to do. So that's how you do it. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, and we'll see you guys next time.